Hey guys, I hope you are doing awesome right there. Right. And as per you, the demanding topic, the demanding chapter, the demanding subject, as per you, my dear children, that maximum students were saying, sir, the way you are giving PDF, it's very good, but we need an explanation, and that also something justified by you all. Yes, without explanation to send something questions is not relevant. So that's the reason I have come. While especially in the mathematics, I will be sharing the questions, you will be getting the questions, including the questions you will be getting all the explanation, which will be a major part for you all people. As you know very well that in one chapter I will be giving near about 50 to 60 MCQs, in which each chapters will be divided into 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, and it may extend to the part 4 also, because I don't want to make the video lengthy. So the video timing should remain 20 to 30 minutes, right? Because if the video will remain lengthy, people and maximum people they get anxiety, that they get irritated the long video. So that's the reason the MCQs part, which I will be bringing, which I will be explaining over here, children, and it will be all about 20 to 30 minutes video, and one chapter will be divided into 4 parts, and for more details you can go and you can check playlist, right? So without making any delay, let's the video get started. And the number 1 questions is in your screen is this one. So what should be the highest power of the variable in a quadratic equation? As you know very well, quadratic equation, how the quadratic equation it has been written, that it is written in this way: x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? So the highest power is 2, it cannot exceed more than 2 in case of quadratic equation. So see the option what is given: a nahi hoga, a 2 it is given, b 4 it is given, c 1 it is given, d 3 it is given. Definitely the correct answer is A, which is known as a 2, right? Very easy questions. Let us do with the number 2. Children, see, if you are following the books, I am coming by bit to bit, from easy to tricky, from easy to challenging. The question which you will be getting, which is a miscellaneous, easy also you will be getting, difficult also you will be getting. And the question which you will be getting, please don't mind, the question which you will be getting, children, is for everyone. The student, those who will secure 60%, the student, those who will secure 95%. So it is a miscellaneous type of questions, right? So number 2, see children, discriminant of a quadratic equation is, what is a discriminant? You know very well. Discriminant d equals to what? See the option: minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. ये तो quadratic equation का formula है. b square minus 4ac, a square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation, but here is asking discriminant. The formula for discriminant is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Children, remember this. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is given, yes. That means number 2 ka bit 2 ka correct option. That is b square minus 4ac. Is it clear? Identify number 3 question. See children, identify the type of quadratic equation when x square equals to 4. Identify the type of quadratic equation. Very important logic. Identify the type of quadratic equation when x equals to 0. When x square equals to 4, we have to identify which type of quadratic equation it is. So which type of quadratic equation it is? Factored quadratic equation, discriminant नहीं होगा, discriminant नहीं होगा, pure quadratic equation, NOT का मतलब none of this. Remember this, okay? So the answer will be what? Say x square equals to 4. So x equals to under root of 4, which is known as 2. So when it becomes root of a quadratic equation, it is known as pure quadratic equation. Pure का मतलब root. अगर किस equation में root का अगर जिक्र कर गया, that means it is known as pure quadratic equation. Maximum students you might not be knowing regarding this pure quadratic equation. Remember, pure quadratic equation. This is very important topic, right? Please do not ignore this. Very pure quadratic. Who knows this type of question will come in exam? You are new, even I am new. Not only we, everyone is new to the first semester one examination. So you should not ignore a single point. The number 3 is what beta? That is a bit 3 option. Pure quadratic equation. You will understand me very well. Indirectly you can understand the entire chapter, because I am giving the quadratic equation from the first beginning of the quadratic equation. From beginning of the chapter I'm coming in a serial wise. Children, I'm coming in a serial wise. If you people don't know, if you people have forgotten, if you people did not read, or you are not prepared for the examination, if you people will watch to 20 to 30 minutes video, definitely you people can get lots of knowledges, lots of questions which will play a vital role for you people. Chalo, examine the nature of the equation. What is the nature of the equation? General having three nature of the equation. What are they? So I am writing here, children, please cooperate. What is the nature of the equation? B square minus 4ac equals to 0. It is the nature of real and equal. Real and equal. Real and equal. Discriminant series, you know very well. Another is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If it is a greater than 0, it is known as real and unequal. Real and unequal. If it is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, is smaller than 0, right? That is known as imaginary. Matlab 0, imaginary number. For example, children, let me say an example. Let me erase this, children. For an example, children, very easy. For an b square minus 4ac is 0. That means suppose a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot. So 0 के अंदर जो आता है नेगेटिव 1 नेगेटिव इट्स इंटीजर्स. सो यहाँ पर जो नेगेटिव का नंबर आ रहा है दैट मीन्स इमेजिनरी नंबर इज अ नेगेटिव नंबर. दैट्स द रीजन b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That's the reason it is number imaginary number. Now the question is, examine the nature of the equation. Nature of the equation. पहले तो first of all we should understand this. Second, what to do? Now second is saying the quadratic equation has been given, beta. What is the quadratic equation? The quadratic equation is given 2x square plus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. As you know very well, d equals to b square minus 4ac. D equals to b square minus 4ac, right? What is the b? Now b it is given 6. 6 ka square minus 4 into 2a into c it is given 3 beta. So 36 minus 4 2 8 12. 12. That means what? You have got b square minus 4ac equals to 12. You have got. That means what? That means b square minus 4ac is greater than 12. Is greater than 12. Real and unequal. It is given real and unequal. It is given real and unequal. Yes. The real and unequal is the correct option. Number 5 is bit 3. Very easy, right? Very easy. If you will understand, it will be very easy. Another question. In a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where abc are dash numbers. अरे भैया x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which a b c are dash numbers. Real numbers. These are the real numbers, children. अरे 6-7 क्लास में पढ़े आ रहे हो बच्चों. So real number, imaginary, no, it cannot be negative number. Negative are imaginary is non-real, which is a negative number. Remember this. Rational, कहाँ rational? The rational, what is a rational number? Rational number is a number in which it can be written in the form of p upon q. Irrational मतलब q is not equals to 0, q is equals to 0, something like that, which I have forgotten, but you have remembered, so you can do it very well. So real numbers, तो real number is the correct option, number C. क्या होगा बच्चों? Real number bit 1. चलो, let's see. Find the value of n. Oh my goodness. Find the value of n in a quadratic equation which has equal roots. Yeah. We have to find the value of n. Equal roots. Root का मतलब अच्छा. If there is having a topic of a root, that means you should know the nature of the root. What is the nature of the root? That is discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. Remember this. Root का बात अगर क्वेश्चन में करेगा, nature का बात अगर क्वेश्चन में करेगा, equal का बात अगर क्वेश्चन में करेगा, unequal का बात अगर क्वेश्चन में करेगा, imaginary number का बात अगर क्वेश्चन में करेगा, you people have to believe that this is the number. That means it is a talking about nature of the roots or roots of the equation. Nature of the roots of the equation, zero of the equation, meaning एक ही होता है. Remember this, right? Question ऐसे भी आ सकता है that nature of the roots, the alternative name of the nature of the roots is known as zero of the equation, root of the equation, something like that. So zero of the equation, root of the equation, nature of the equation, all remain the same. So let's see. Find the value of the n in the quadratic equation which has equal roots. N, we have to find the value of n. So let me erase this, children. We have to find the value of n. Can you find the value of n? Yes, we can find it out. How? चलो let's see. छोटा करके लिख देते सर, जगह नहीं होगा. I am having generally big handwriting. So see, 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 5 equals to 0. So what is the talking about? The nature of the which has equal roots. Equal roots. Equal root का मतलब equal root, that means discriminant nature of the roots. So let us do d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now you might be people thinking, why sir you have put d equals to b square minus 4ac? Why you have put such type of formula? I have put such type of formula because in the question it has been mentioning that, in the question it has been saying that you have to find the nature of the roots, if I am not wrong. Has equal roots. इक्वल रूट, अगर इक्वल रूट का बात करते हैं उसका मतलब यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, अच्छा इक्वल रूट का मतलब डी, अनइक्वल रूट का मतलब डी, दैट मीन्स इमेजिनरी का मतलब डी. रिमेंबर दिस, यू हैव टू मेक योर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर बिफोर अपेयरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज यू आर रीडिंग स्पेशली इन द पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट. Try to give 20 to 30 minutes of a time to this platform, right? So this is not a valuable, this is not a useless things. So it is a very important things for you people. And अगर 20 या 30 मिनट का दे देते हो समय यहाँ पर, you people will be coming from the examination hall in a flying colors. मुस्कुराते हुए आओगे बच्चों, ये हमारा गारंटी है. अगर तुम 20 या 30 मिनट हमेशा अगर दोगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म को, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. लेट्स स्टिक टू द टॉपिक. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. व्हाट इज बी स्क्वायर? लेट मी से अबाउट बी स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द बी? माइनस 12 का स्क्वायर लगाते हैं बच्चों. देखो माइनस 4 into what is the into 3 into c. c it is given, c it is not given. What is c? So let me put n minus 5 c. So c it is given n minus 5. So what to do now? So minus 12 into minus 12 144 minus 12n 12 into n minus 5 144 minus 12n plus minus into minus plus bracket उड़ गया 60. That means what बेटा? 204 minus 12n. So next it will come here. If it will come here, minus 204 children, minus 204 equals to minus 12n, minus minus got cancelled. 204 divided by 12 equals to n, which is equals to 1 12 6 8 8 4 17 is the answer. It is given in the answer 17. Let us see the option. What is the option? 27 17. Yes, 17 is given. 10 19, that means 17 is the correct option. Number 7 का क्या होगा बच्चों? Bit 2 is the correct option. Very easy, right? Number 8. What is the value of x? Oh, what is the value of x? Is very easy also. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? If x square equals to this, the option has been given. X square equals to this. X square equals to 16. X equals to plus or minus under root of 16. That means it is a 4. Plus or minus 4. That means what beta? X plus 4 equals to 0. X minus 4 equals to 0. That means what? It will be x equals to 4, x equals to minus 4. Is it there is the answer? Yes, bit 2 is the another option. See, this is the type of problem. If you want to do in another way also, which has been given in the ML Agarwal, you can see in the another way. Another way में कैसे करते बच्चों देखो. Another way that x square equals to 16 is given. Can I do in this way? X square minus 16 equals to 0. Can I do in this way? Yes. So can I write in this way? X square minus 4 square equals to 0. So x square minus b square, can I write in this way? X a plus b into a minus b, x minus 4 into a, x plus 4 equals to 0. Yes. So can I write in this way? X equals to 4, x equals to minus 4. बात खत्म. आंसर क्या बच्चों देखो? That means 8 bit 2. 8 का bit 2 is the answer. बात खत्म. Next, number 9. Identify the appropriate quadratic equation. Oh, appropriate. Whose solution is negative 2 and negative 3 is given. That means whose solution is negative 2 and negative 3 is given. Very easy. It is also very easy. Solution is given. What is the solution is given? Solution is given, children. What? Na? Minus 2 3. Minus 2 3. That means what solution is given means that is x it is given. So x it is given minus 2 और x दिया है क्या पर 3 दिया है. हमें एक perfect quadratic equation निकालना बच्चों. देखो. Let me see the option first. 2x square minus x. So why to see option? Directly we will do na. Why to see option? Chalo, let's see. X plus 2 equals to 0. Can I write in this way? X minus 3 equals to 0. Can I write it this way? Can I multiply 2 together? X plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. X into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0, children. X square minus 3x plus 2x क्या होगा यहाँ पर? minus 6. So which is a 0, which is all about x square minus x plus 6 equals to 0. Correct or incorrect? 3x minus 3x plus 2x minus, yeah, it is correct. Let's see option. The option is given 2x square minus 6, 2x square, no, bit 1 option is incorrect. Bit 2 option is x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x minus 6. Oh, it is also incorrect. Oh, यहाँ पर प्लस होगा यार भैया, सॉरी. अगेन इट इज गिव एक्स क्यूब. अरे यार एक्स क्यूब कहां मरवा रहा है, एक्स क्यूब नो, इट एक्स क्यूब कभी नहीं होगा इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बिकॉज द हाईएस्ट पावर इज ऑलवेज 2. फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन बताया था. यहाँ पे बेवकूफ बना रहा है, एक्चुअली कोई बना नहीं रहे, हम भी बना रहे थे तुम्हें बिकॉज एवरीथिंग विच इज देयर इन द पीडीएफ इट इज डन बाय माई ओन. आई हैव डन एवरीथिंग राइट. सो and no one is doing bevkoof. I am only doing bevkoof to myself as well as you all people. Chalo, let's see number 4. X square minus x minus 6. Yes, the answer is correct. That means number 9, bit 4 option is correct. Then question is, the quadratic equation formula is very important. The quadratic equation formula is different. The quadratic equation of the nature of the formula is different. Root का formula different. Root nature का d, equal unequal का d equals to b square minus 4ac. But quadratic equation formula is different. What is the formula beta? X equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. This is the formula of a quadratic equation. Formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac equals to 2a. Let me draw a perfect rectangular. A perfect one. A perfect one. Perfect. Now it is a perfect. Chalo. All right. So now see. So let's see the option in a bit 1. 10 bit 1. D equals to b square minus 4ac. Galat. Bit 2. Minus b plus or minus. No, minus is not given. Only plus it is given. That means bit 2 option is incorrect. Bit 3 option, children. Let's see. Bit 3 option. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2. Yes, bit 3 option is correct. Bit 4 option देख लेते हैं. Plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2. Oh, see, only b it is given, minus b it is not given. That is incorrect. So these are the number 10 question is over. So 1 to 10 question I have discussed over here. I hope you will be able to do by your own in your home one again once time more. So do not ignore this point, beta. See, at the end only I want to say you, let me give little bit motivation but to you all people. So the moral of the story I want to add here, which I always say in every video, that hard work really pays off. If you are really working hard, definitely you will be getting reward to it. If no one is giving, Almighty will be giving to you. So always try to work hard and never wait for the result. Result will come automatically. See, for an example, I am here with not even 100 or 1000 subscribers. Still I am working here because I know hard work always pays off. So this all I wanted to say at the end. Try, keep reading and have a random revision of it. Thank you. Cheers. Coming back harder in the next session.